Okay, so I got asked by a friend to play this very strange game, and it looks very childish, so it says, let's go. Okay, I've hit a new game. What the hell, what is this? What will I do? Oh my god, it exploded. No. Oh no, what's that? Oh no, no. I got a green one, yeah? Okay, I want to get a blue one, I'll get that one then. Oh no, okay. Well, okay, I'll get a green one, alright? Yeah, okay. I'll get a blue one, okay. Oh, I get it now. But there's not really a lot there, is there? All that. Green, there's one there. Blue, oh, can I get that one? Yeah, get it. No, what millions? I was gonna like have a short video, but obviously it's gone for long. That's like a penguin, isn't it? Oh my god. Yes, finally. Let's get that one here. Yeah, oh gosh. Oh my, it's got millions now. Okay. Oh my god, there's actually loads. I don't like this game. Okay, so it's really boring. Okay, so is this no? Okay. Well, that was very weird. I won't be playing this game again, so it's very boring. If you know what this game is, or if you have any game that you'd like me to play, please leave a comment below. Please like, comment and subscribe.